Let's start exercise number 7.3. We'll solve this question. One by one, we'll solve all the questions. Let's start with the 8th question. So the 8th question is x square plus 7x plus 12. So we will multiply these a term and c term. So 12 is 12. We have to find such a factor that if we multiply these two numbers, then the multiplication will give 12 and the addition will give 7. Okay. So x square plus 4 3s are 12 is the factor. If we add 4 plus 3, we will get 7, and if we multiply 4 into 3, we will get 12. So here we'll add 4x plus 3x plus 12. Now we have to take x common, x plus 4 plus, here we will take 3 common. So the answer will be x plus 3 4s are 12. Okay. So here x plus 4 will be taken common and the remaining will be x plus 3. And this is your answer for the 8th question. Let's solve the second B question, which is x square minus x minus 72. We have to multiply these 72, ones are 72. Now we have to find such a two factors that if we add these two factors, we get minus 1, and if we multiply these two numbers, then we get 72. So x square minus, if we add 9 8s are 72. So minus 9x plus 8x will give us minus x. So minus 9x plus 8x minus 72. From these two terms, we can take out x common. So the remaining term will be x minus 9 plus, we can take out 8 common here. So the remaining term will be x minus 9. So from these two terms, I can take out x minus 9 common. Okay. So the remaining number will be x plus 8. So this is your answer for the B question. I will solve the C question, which is 2x square plus 5x minus 12. Okay. If we multiply a and c, we will get 24. So now we have to find such a number that if we multiply these two numbers, then we will get 24, and if we add these two numbers, we get 5. So 8 3s are 24 and 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So 2x plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. Here we can take out 2x common, so the remaining term will be x plus 4, and from here we can take out minus 3 common, so the remaining term will be x plus 4. These two terms both have x plus 4 in common, so we can take out x plus 4 common, and the remaining term will be 2x minus 3. This is your answer for the C question. Let's solve the D question, which is 2x square minus 5x minus 12. So here the question is like above, but here there is a plus in front of 5x and here there is minus 5x. So 2x square plus, instead of here we have taken plus 8x minus 3x, here we will do minus 8x plus 3x, which will give us minus 5x. So the resulting will be minus 8 plus 3, which give us minus 5, minus 12. Okay. Here we will take 2x common, so we will get x minus 4, and from here plus 3 will be common, so here we will get x minus 4 common. These two both terms have x minus 4 in common, so we'll take x minus 4 common. The remaining answer will be 2x plus 3. Now we'll solve E question, which is 2x square minus 23x minus 12. Okay. Now if we do 12 2s are 24, and we want such a two factors that if we multiply these two terms, we get 24, and if we add these two terms, we get minus 23. So 2x square, if we do minus 24x plus 1x. So if we multiply 24 ones are 24 and minus 24 plus will give us minus 23. Okay, minus 12. From these two terms we can take out 2x common, so the remaining number will be x minus 12, and from these two terms I can take out 1 common, so the remaining term will be x minus 12. These two both terms have x minus 12 in common, so x minus 12, and the remaining number will be 2x plus 1. Next we will solve f question, which is 3x square plus 35x minus 12. 12 3s is 36, and what I can do is 36 minus 1 I will get 35. So 3x square plus 36x minus 1x, which gives us 35x, and 36 1s is 36 minus 12. Here we can take it 3x common, so the remaining term will be x plus 12 3s are 36. So here the remaining term will be 12. From these we can take out minus 1 common, so here the common, so the remaining will be x plus 12. These two have x plus 12 in common, so if I take out x plus 12 common from these two terms, we will get x plus 12, 3x minus 1. This is our answer for